Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Afsur Rahman Firoz. My ID 241157228, and I will start our presentation on different types of numbering system. Before we learn binary, octal or hexadecimal, we need to understand what numbering system is. A numbering system is simply a method of representing number using a set of digits and a base. For example, the decimal system uses 10 digits, so its base is 10. Computer is binary system which has only two digit 0 and 1, so its base is 2. In short, a numbering system is how numbers are written and understood based on its base. Now my team members will explain the main types in details. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about different types of number system. I'm Hasibur Rahman Shifat and my ID is 241159959. So we all know the decimal system or base 10, which uses digits 0 to 9 for every day counting. In computer, the most important system is binary or binary 2, which use only 0 and 1 because digital devices work with two states on and off. And another system is octal base 8, which use digits 0 to 7. It's mainly used to shorten long binary numbers. There's also hexadecimal based 16, which use digits 0 to 9 and later A to F. It's widely used to computing, for example, in memory address, the colored codes because it represents large binary values in a compact form. Another number system is from those main systems. There are a few special purpose ones. Roman numerals, which we still see on clocks and moments. Based 16 encoding, used for transmitting data safety online. Floating point representation, which lets computers handle very large or very small scientific numbers. And BCD, or binary code decimal, used in calculator and financial device for accurate decimal processing. In summary, different number systems exist because they serve different needs, some of human use, some for computers, and some for specialized tasks. Thank you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Rabil Islam and my ID is 2411594. Today I will be talking about two important number systems used in computing, the octal number system and the hexadecimal number system. Let's start with the octal number system. The octal system has a base of 8, which means it used 8 digits ranging from 0 to 7. One of the main reasons octal was used historically, especially in older computing system and mini computers, is that it provides a more compact way to represent binary numbers. Binary can be difficult to read because it used only 0 and 1, so converting binary into octal makes things much easier. To do this, we group binary digits in set of 3, since 3 binary digits can represent one octal digits. For example, the binary numbers 101110 can be grouped as 101 and 110, which converts to the octal digits 5 and 6, giving us 56 in octal. Even though it's not as commonly used today, octal still appears in some programming contexts such as Unix file permission. Secondly, hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system, also known simply as hex. Hexadecimal used a base of 16, which means it includes 16 symbols. The digits 0 to 9 and the letters A to F, where A equals 10, B equals 11, and so on up to F equals 15. Hexadecimal is extremely used in modern computing because it provides a very compact and readable form of binary data. To convert binary to hexadecimal, we group the binary digits and sets of 4, since 4 binary digits map perfectly to 1 hex digits. For example, the binary number 11010111 converts to D7 in hexadecimal. Hex is widely used in programming, memory address, color codes in web design, and many areas where a human-friendly version of binary is needed.
Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Tania. My ID is 2411512 Now today I am going to talk about the hexadecimal number system. It is a number system that uses 16 different symbols. These symbols include the digits 0 to 9 and the letters A to F. In this system, each letter has a value. A stands for 10, B for 11, C for 12, D for 13, E for 14 and F for 15. Because it uses more symbols than the decimal system, hexadecimal can represent large values in a shorter form. Now, conversion. One of the most important features of the hexadecimal system is easy conversion from binary. Binary numbers are long and difficult to read, so hexadecimal helps make them compact. To convert binary to hexadecimal, we simply group the binary digits into sets of 4 bits. Each 4-bit group corresponds to one hex digits. This makes the process faster that is reduce mistakes when reading binary values. Now example. For example, if we take the binary number on 0 1 0 1 on, we divided it into two 4-bit groups on 0 1 and 0 on. The group on 0 1 is equal to D and the group 0 on is equal to 7. So the binary number 1 on 0 1 0 1 on becomes D7 in hexadecimal. This shows how easily binary can be converted to a shorter, more reliable hex form. Now it use cases. The hexadecimal number system is widely used in programming, memory addressing and debugging. Programmers use it because it makes long binary codes easier to understand. Hexadecimal is also commonly used in web design to define colors. For example, the color red is written as FF0000 in hexadecimal. This makes hex an essential part of computing and technology. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Parma, ID 241-15682. Today I am going to talk about why number systems are so important in computers and how understanding them help us communicate better with machines. Binary, the computer's own language. Every computer in the world understands only one language, binary, which uses just 0 and 1. All digital information, text, image, music, video, everything is ultimately stored and processed in this simple two-digit system. So binary is truly the foundation of all computing. Octal and hexadecimal, making binary easier for us. Even though binary is perfect for computers, it can be very long and difficult for humans to read. That's why we used octal and hexadecimal number system. They help us shorten long binary string and make them more readable, so programmers can understand and work the data more easily. Hexadecimal, a tool for precision. The hexadecimal system is especially used in areas like debugging programs, low-level programming, memory addressing. Because it's a compact and clear, hexadecimal allows programmers to work with the data accurately and efficiently. Building the human-machine bridge. Together, binary, octal, and hexadecimal create a smooth connection between human instruction and machine operations. When we understand this number system, we understand the way computers think, and that makes us better problem solvers in the digital world. Quick conversion tips. Binary to octal. Group the binary digits into set of 3 from right to left. Then convert each group to its octal value, binary to hexadecimal. Group the digits into set of 4. Again from right to the left and convert each group to its hexadecimal value, decimal to binary. Divide the decimal number by 2 repeatedly and then read the remainders from bottom to top.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Noshin Samia Kia, my ID 241155888. Now I am going to talk about the power of number system. Binary number are basic tool for representing and handling number in technology. Binary is the core of all digital device. Every computer work using 0 and 1. To read binary more easily, we use octal and hexadecimal, which give simple and compact form of binary data. Overall, binary number systems are essential for understanding computer, electronic and programming. Conclusion: by learning number system, we understand how computer think and process information, from simple counting to complex computing. Number system shape our digital world. Thank you.